Bethany. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm planning out the week of September 28th through October 4th in my Plum paper hourly planner. And I thought I would first start out by showing you last week in this planner, what that one looked like. So this one I actually have to go back into September because I'm in the October version of this week. Here is last week and how everything shaped up. It is Friday afternoon currently, so I still have some more things to check off. Some of the stuff was done at work already. I just need to go back in and check it off. And then yeah, still working through here. Got some stuff going on for the weekend, but this is pretty much how the week wound up shaping up. This was Planner Kate stickers to kind of make a kit, quote unquote, a lot of my own personal script stickers that I was trying out, and then lots of other fun stuff. We got lots of Mixie Cat stuff, some Pipple Mom plans, other icons that I had mixed in. All the weather at the bottom are Planner Kate as well. I just thought I would stick with the Planner Kate theme for the most part. Habits are going really well. I like this method of tracking. I thought that was pretty cool. So I might do something the same or similar this week in that area, but this week was pretty fun. I really enjoyed working through it and ready to move on to next week. Still need to do my October setup. That video is going to be coming shortly because I like to set up my month early and I have not done that yet this month. I usually like to set up about halfway through the current month, but it's all good. So today I'm going to be using this super cute kit by Alexandra Nicole Plans. So again, I'm working with Alexandra Nicole Plans now to bring you a little PR discount. So that is Bethany 20 off of Alexandra Nicole Plans Etsy shop. So check that out if you're interested. What I have here is the base kit. So this is just the regular kit. This is not the one that's formatted from Plum paper, and that's because, well, I'll show you in a minute. I also got the individual date covers, and that's because I'm in the larger Plum paper planner. And the thing I've noticed about the larger planner, the things that I really need is I really do like having the date cover so I can cover this area up really easily. And then I also really like to have this long washi. So you can see that this is going to fit there just great. It's going to fit here. So that's kind of the things that I really need. And this kit comes with those items. It also has some labels. And I think, I don't know if you can see here, but the labels kind of come in right before the number of the hourly starts. So those actually do work really well, and I think they are going to be super cute. So that's what we've got going on kit wise for today. I think this kit is just so pretty, especially because it has here a quiet afternoon. It says a candle for quiet afternoon, and I actually have a candle. This is my favorite candle. This is Yankee Candle, and the scent is apple cider. It's my perfect fall scent. Then I've also got a cup of tea today, so we are ready to dive on in. Okay, so I've got the whole structure down. I really like how this turned out. That was kind of a happy surprise. I didn't know if it was gonna look cool or like a hot mess, and I actually really like it. The one thing, maybe in the future, I would put this box down first, so then the washi came over a little bit more cleanly, but I think it looks cute the way it is. So I'm really loving that, loving the sidebar. And here's how we're looking so far with the kit. So I've used this one, these washi strips, all these washi strips at the bottom, and still have plenty of appointment labels and stuff to go. Okay, so next I'm gonna start in with workouts and routine stuff because that's always just kind of an easy place for me to start. You know what, I lied. I think instead I'm going to do day by day, which I don't think I've ever done. Like just go kind of, here's what's happening Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way across, and see if that's any more organized to put together or not. But just occurred to me, like, I've never done that. And I kind of know what every day is going on. So it's usually easier for me to section off into like categories, again, like workouts or routine stuff. But I'm going to try to go day by day, and we'll just see how it goes. Monday in the morning, we have this meeting every morning now. So let me find all right, so we're doing that every single morning. I only have 4 here left. I might have to go see if I have another one laying around somewhere, but let's do that. That's at 8 o'clock every morning. See, I told you it's just how my brain works. It goes categories. Okay, now going back the rest of Monday. So let's see, I do have a doctor's appointment, and I know there are these doctor's appointment stickers on Alexandra Nicole Plans' kits, and it's like the prettiest doctor's appointment sticker, but I rarely have doctor's appointments, so I don't always get to use it. But I do have one on Monday that I'm actually very excited about. I've been really struggling with insomnia lately. I mean, I always have. It's just something that like happens in my life, but lately it's been getting even worse. And it's better if I have my prescription. So I do like to take Lunesta for my insomnia. I've tried so many other things, and this is the one thing that works for me. And I mean, it's like I've tried all the things. I've tried chamomile, dark room, you know, comfortable bed. Like I've tried every single thing. Like I've tried melatonin, you name it, meditation, all the things. Every single thing I've tried. And Lunesta is the only thing. And to the point where my doctor even said, like, if this doesn't work for you, like have to look at a different kind of medication for anxiety or something, because this was like, Lunesta was the highest next level thing she could recommend. So actually my prescription ran out, and I needed to it was to the point where like you can like refill something so much before the doctor says, okay, you need to come and talk to us again. And I hadn't been doing that, and I've been losing a lot of sleep. So I just need to get that taken care of. Excited for that. Okay, so 1 o'clock on Monday, Phoebe has a grooming appointment, and that will be nice just because she has been so shaggy and she just is kind of overdue with having surgery and stuff. All right, 6 o'clock is that extreme workout I've been going to and really enjoying it. It's super hard, but I really do like going, so I'm gonna go do that on Monday. And I couldn't go last week. My hair appointment did run too long. I wasn't able to get to it, but I'm excited to get back to that here on Monday evening. Also, it is trash and recycle day on Monday evening. All right, and these I actually just got from Sammy Doodle, and I'm loving them, totally loving them. So this is trash and recycle together, like super cute. Because I usually layer them anyway, and now when they're together, it's like, it's just perfection. And I'm gonna use the trash day script from the kit. Okay, day by day is going okay so far. No issues. So it's working, it's good. Okay, so on Tuesday, I'm going to need to put in, let's see, cardio on Tuesday. Let's do that next. All right, moving on to Wednesday. So Wednesday, one of those project days at work. So I'm gonna mostly focus in on this project I'm working on. And then I've got a massage appointment over the lunch hour. Trying to keep up with self-care with all those extra workouts I've been doing lately. All right, and then Wednesday I'm also going to try to go to this shred workout on Wednesday evening, also at 6. I don't know, it's very similar to the extreme. I can't tell the difference. I'm sure there is one, but right now they seem like the same class. So I don't know. It's all kind of like lighter weights, faster movement, very, very high heart rate. So it's fun. I don't see the difference. They seem like the same class to me. So I'm gonna put in another workout sticker on top of that. And then also on Wednesdays, I usually do my meal planning, so I'll stick in something for that here. All right, so Thursday, same thing. I've got this meeting, 8 in the morning. Okay, Chris also has a delivery, like a prescription delivery. All right, I also have a 2 o'clock meeting on Thursday, so I'll stick that in next. All right, laundry day is next. I'm gonna put laundry here on Thursday, and then I'm also gonna just put it on Sunday while I'm thinking about it. Kind of a big sticker for like laundry, but it really does take me a while, so I figure may as well give it the space. And I just happen to have 2 laundry stickers from Monarch Plans. There's just something really satisfying about using up a sticker sheet. All right, let's see what's left. I almost forgot, I do a Fuse workouts here in the mornings for Thursday and Friday, so I'll do that and kind of transition into Friday now. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in and wrap up the weekend since it's pretty much the work week. I have to double check a couple of things that are happening on the weekend, so I'm gonna get those in and then go in with some extra like decorative stickers if I think of any, put my YouTube schedule in, but this is almost done, almost done. Here's our finished spread. Really love it. Alexandra Nicole Plan's kit is phenomenal. Even in the big planner, like it worked out just great. The one thing I think is a little weird is how I have these like 2 o'clock, it's like labeled, and then there's extra space, and then it also says 2 o'clock here. It's a little bit redundant and odd, I think, but if it said like 2:10 or 2:15, I think that made more sense. It's just because it's like duplicated. But the fact that it doesn't go all the way across doesn't bother me as much as I thought it might. I think this looks really cool. And what I'm finding is like the common denominator with finding a kit for this big planner is really washi that's long enough, date covers, and then anything else is kind of great. But those are my big things that I've noticed that make me really happy when it comes to kits, is if it has those 2 things, I can generally make the rest of it work. These script stickers in this font are the ones that I created. Obviously the kit is Alexandra Nicole Plans. The script is Alexandra Nicole Plans, as is, let's see, I thought I had another script that was there too. Maybe not. Was that the only script I used from the kit? Nope. I also used Doctor's Appointment, and there's gotta be another one somewhere that I'm missing. Trash day, there he is. So those are kind of what I use for scripts. I also have a couple laundry day here that was Monarch Plans. I have some icons that are from Simply Smith stickers, and those are the prescription bottle, headset, and laundry baskets here and here. Pipple Mom Plans is the YouTube icon, this pinkish one. Also this meal plan icon, and then the paw print. I also do have a discount code for Pipple Mom Plans as well, and that is Bethany10 for 10% off. Other things we've got going on here are Sammy Doodle at the bottom. I think these are super cute. So these film, edit, upload, they're just, I really, really like these. These are awesome. So that is, I'll just show you the sheet here. These is a new design from Sammy Doodle. And I've got an exciting announcement and information coming up about Sammy Doodle in a future video in just a couple days here. So hang on for that. Very, very excited to show you lots more from this shop. Also from Sammy Doodle are this, like I mentioned before, this trash can combined with the recycle. And then also this little fork, knife, and spoon dinner set by Dinner. So I thought that was really cute. Loving this, really, really enjoying it. I think it's a really nice kit for the end of September, easing us on into October. So that is all I've got for you today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, a great week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.